Alright guys, this is a quick video. I want to know what you guys think and what you guys use. I use Pex A, which is the expandable type, which is the clear one you see here. And Pex B is the one you have to crimp using rings or the Viega system here. So I always like the Pex A because it doesn't restrict the flow. The inside diameter is almost the same as regular copper, but a lot of guys like that Pex B. Let me know in the comments below what you use, Pex A or Pex B, and give me a reason why. My reason is Pex A, it expands, the flow is a lot better, and I just like working with it a lot easier. So comment below, let me know. This is a little example. As you can see, perfect between Pex A and Pex B termination. You can see the Pex A is just expands and is a lot bigger than the Pex B. If you need some plumbing work done, residential or commercial, let us know. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.